We will now review how to complete each section of the California Dream Act. In this section, we will go over how to create an account for your application. To access the Dream Act application, you must go to the following website, dream.csac.ca.gov. In order to begin the application, you must have an account. For those of you returning to renew your application, you can go ahead and log in. For all new students, you must click the green Start button to create a new account. Once you log in, you will be greeted with a welcome message. This message will go over the eligibility for the Dream Act application. You must be considered a California AB 540 eligible student in order to receive funds from the California Dream Act. If you have a Social Security number through the DACA program, you can provide it on this section. The Social Security number is not required to complete the Dream Act application. If you don't have one, you can simply select No and continue. As we mentioned in an earlier slide, to qualify for assistance through the California Dream Act, you must be considered a AB 540 recipient. To meet this requirement, you must have attended a California school for at least 3 years and have completed a high school diploma or equivalent. You can use a combination of credits from K through 12, adult education, and community college to meet the 3-year requirement. If you meet the AB 540 requirement, you can continue to the login section to create your account. If you are unsure if you meet the AB 540 requirements, please contact the college or university that you plan to attend for assistance. To create your account, you must enter your demographic information. It is very important that your name matches your high school or adult education records. This information will be used to award students with cash grants such as Cal Grant. In this section, you will create a user ID and password for your California Dream Act application. Make sure you meet the minimum requirements indicated on the screen. It is very important that you write this information down. You will need it every time you complete a Dream Act application or if you need to make corrections. You will also be required to answer security questions. It is recommended that you also write these down. The security questions are used to retrieve your password if you forget. In this section, you will review your information for accuracy. For the email address, it is recommended that you use a personal email address. Many times, high school email addresses get deactivated after you graduate. If you find that you made a mistake or you need to make a change, you can click Make a Correction before continuing. Once that you have made the necessary corrections and you verified that all your information is accurate, you can continue and you will be greeted this message verifying that you completed your account for the California Dream Act.